Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Jamaica's struggling sugar industry is in line for a long-awaited revival. On Tuesday, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green announced a new $50 million investment to restore sugar production in South Clarendon. He was speaking during the sectoral debates in the House of Representatives.
Madam Speaker, they have already leased 12,500 acres of land, with 27 acres dedicated to the construction of a new sugar factory and refinery.
This initiative is expected to generate at least 300 jobs and create new opportunities across the industry. Once home to more than 10 operational sugar factories, Jamaica's sugar sector has faced decades of decline. The situation worsened in 2019 with the closure of the Money Musk sugar factory, which was a key player.
This is a significant step to bring the much-needed revitalization of the sugar industry. This is, but Madam Speaker, let me put things in perspective. This is not something that is going to happen next year or the year after next. We are breaking ground for this in July of this year. This is a new era for sugar.
To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 3,241 points today, while the junior market index increased by 61 points. The winners include Dollar Financial Services, Main Event Entertainment Group, MPC Carbon Clean Energy, Guardian Holdings, and Elite Diagnostic. The losers include Jamaica Public Service Company 7% shares, Cygnus Real Estate Investment or Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, KLE Group, Pulse Investments, and EduFocal. Foreign currency trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.84. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.18. The pound is going for $218.88, while the euro is selling for an average $183.20. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.